Hey, what's going on, everybody? It's Tyler Lamb here, and I wanted to shoot this real quick video just because I know I've seen a lot of people having some problems figuring out how to put videos into their blog posts lately. So I wanted to kind of shoot this real quick video to kind of show everybody um, really how easy and simple it is to put a video into your blog post, into your WordPress blog post. Now, what we're going to go ahead and use the Empower Network blogging platform. So obviously, if you have the Empower Network blog, you know it is a WordPress blog. So the same will apply to whatever blog you may have. But especially if you are a member of the Empower Network, then obviously you can follow right along with this. But what we're going to do is we're going to go over and I'm going to log into my YouTube channel. So I'm going to go ahead over to YouTube. And I'm going to go to my video manager and go ahead and find a video that we'll just throw up on something real quick. So let's just say this was the video I wanted to put. This first one says create blog content SEO blog post part 1. So I would just click on whatever video I wanted to use on YouTube, something I might have been watching, I want to share on a blog post, anything like that. Alright, we'll just come down here to share, and then from here we're going to click on embed. What this is going to do is it's going to give you an embed code that you'll copy and paste onto your blog post. Now where it's set at right now, the original video size, a width of 560 by 315, if you have an Empower Network blog, this will actually fit perfectly into your blog. If you want to make it a little bit smaller, that's fine. Anything that's bigger than that, unless you make it a custom size, it's going to start to not fit in the column. So this is actually a perfect size. So you just go ahead and you'll grab this embed code. It's got an iframe, and then we'll go ahead and over and we will log into Empower Network. Log into our blog here. Alright, and log in and start blogging. Let's close that before it starts playing. Alright, so say we wanted to make a new post based around that video, if it was a video we created or it was some viral video that's starting to gain some notoriety and we want to share it and bring some of that traffic to our blog post. We hit new, add new. You see right here we're in the visual editor. We want to paste it in the text. Now if you want to center the video, so say you want it to show up in the center of the page instead of the left, or say you want to show up towards a little bit more towards the right instead of the left. If you have the Empower Network blog, it's a little funny if you go and paste the code in and then try to center it. It'll be a little funny. Like, you can center it and it'll show up centered in the visual editor, but when you go and save it and you publish it, it'll end up moving back to the left. So what I actually do with our Empower Network WordPress back office is what I'll do is in the visual editor, I'll put a couple of X's and then I'll center the X's. Now, since it's centering the text, it'll actually have something back here that says P style equals text align center. And then I'll post the iframe code in there. And so now it'll actually stay centered when you save it. See, before it would show up centered in this visual editor, but once we go to publish it or something, it'll end up going back to the left. So if you want to center, that's all you have to do. But that's as simple as it is to post a video to your blog. So we can preview it just so you can see that it's posted there. And slow. Well, doesn't look like it's going to show up here. I'd probably have to go ahead and publish it for it to show up, or at least put a title. But you can see here in the visual editor that it is showing up. This is the box of where it will play once you publish it. Alright, so that's simply that easy. If for whatever reason you didn't want to change the height or the size once you paste it, you can just come here where it says height equals and width equals and change that there if you want to play with it. Alright, just that simple. That was just how I wanted to put this quick video together on how you can put a video into your blog post. Same rules apply if you get a video from anywhere, not just YouTube. You just get the embed code and you place it into your blog post the same way. All right, talk to y'all soon.